everyone, my name is Tanushree Pandey. I'm currently pursuing PGDM in Human Resource Management and Retail Management from Jaipuria Institute of Management, Lucknow. I have done my graduation in the field of pharmacy from MIT University, Lucknow. I have total 2 years of work experience in the pharmaceutical industry, and lastly, I was associated with Mankind Pharmaceuticals, Sikkim, as a quality assurance officer. I have a keen to grow as an HR professional because I love to work with the people and for the people. I aspire to be a good HR in a good branded company. So if it comes to my CTC, what I expect is from 8 to 9 LPA, because what I think is when we go into a good branded company holding a good profile, what is important is their company only does not expect from the employees. Okay, they regularly come up with a new initiative, new learning and development programs for their employees. They only think that how the career and the growth and the personality of their employees should also be shaped upon for their future and the growth. Like if I talk about for an example in the company in which I was working, that is Mankind, what they were doing for their employees is they had a tie up with an MBA colleges and also with the pharma colleges. So the employees who were loyal to them for 4 years, they were continuously working with the company with a good work, with a good incentives also. So they were giving an offer to those employees. So if they want to shape their career in a business line, they can go for MBA, pursuing an MBA. And if they want to shape their future in the pharma line, higher studies in that, they can go with the MBA colleges. All the expenses, all the cost, all the requirements, all the needs were taken up and means assured by the company, assured by the company for their employees for another 1 to 2 means another 1 or 2 years from wherever the program is completed, till the program is completed. Okay, so coming towards answering my top five companies is, that is HUL, HCCBL, Asian Paints, JK Siemens, etc., KPMG and all. And of course, IDEMIA company in which I am currently doing my summer internship in an HR profile. Okay, now Jaipuria has taught me many valuable lessons each day and every day. I'm currently serving as a junior representative in the Placement and Corporate Relations Committee. This committee has also helped me to grow as a person, not only enhancing my knowledge and personality, but to become how to become a good person, a good human, and a good candidate for a company. So I have learned the skill set like stress, pressure management, and time management. Like we were having classes from morning till evening. Okay, we were having classes from morning till evening where we have to, evening till 5:30 or 6:30. After that, we have to face in corporate sessions. We were for which, and it was kept for us for our personality enhancement and knowledge enhancement. Sometimes it is on virtual platform, and sometimes it has to be an offline platforms also. So we have to wait and attend those corporate sessions also. And after that, handling the company coordination also for the company's process, whosoever it has been allotted to us. So these had enhanced my skills of pressure and stress management, time management also. Working as a teamwork, which is very important. Second skill is a teamwork skill. I have known the teamwork skills, like if we are, we in Jaipuria are divided into different LT teams, which carries approx 5 to 6 member in each LT teams. Okay, projects are given into the LT teams where we have to work in an LT. So we have divided the work in according to the skill set of the each member. So we means, what does this mean to say is we learn from each other, skill set of each other, in order to enhance our skill set also. And lastly is, of course, the communication and confidence. Working in a corporate outreach, which has placement, has given me opportunity for working as a corporate outreach partner also, where we were involved in outreaching the company corporate recruiters so that they come to recruit our students for the placements also, summer internship also. This has also enhanced my confidence and communication power. Overall personality development, Jaipuria has helped me a lot in doing that. Jaipuria, as well as the committee members also, and the faculty members of my committee also, and my non-committee faculty members also. I thanks a lot to all and everyone for giving their valuable contribution in my journey. And Second but not least, all the skill set like stress management, pressure management, communication, confidence, time management, teamwork, these all skill set I have learned in Jaipuria, and I think these all skill set are required to one candidate to become a good HR professional in future. Thank you.